Alright, I think it's time we talk about trend trading. Yesterday I put up some amazing opportunities on Patreon. You guys can see here, scrolling down. Forex shorts are in, we have Kava, we have UFI, we have COM, and we have CLV. All of these trades were put in 12 hours ago, and just hours later, most of the projects crashed and followed the trend. That is why we do trend trading, and that is why I will show you guys my trades today. If we look at the trades that we put in yesterday, only one has not made it. Other trades have made massive gains. We have ACT 30% profit. We have RSR almost 40% profit. We have UFI 20% profit, Comp at 16% profit, and Kava at 26% profit. This is absolutely amazing. If you're wondering why the USD numbers are so low, that is because this is a secondary account. I don't show my real numbers, my real trades on YouTube. Basically, what happened and what played out yesterday was absolutely glorious. Me and my team were sitting watching projects, and we saw that a lot of projects were heading into this sort of downtrend. Let's pull up RSR, a project that gained a lot of hype. We saw a lot of projects doing this. They pumped like crazy. We kind of started to see them drooping a little bit. And right around here, we saw a trend flip, basically going from green to red with my custom indicator. And here we noticed multiple projects that they were heading into a downtrend. And we started putting in shorts on all of these projects. You guys can see here, this was yesterday, just hours later, RSR at 43% profit. I put it out to everyone who is a member here on Patreon. Basically how this works is I've created 2 memberships. The Next Gen Nomad is where you can join, and you will get all the notifications for all the trades, basically all the trend flips, all the technical analysis. And then the Next Gen Elite is basically all of that, plus a community chat where we can talk about the trades. Plus I post my own personal trades if you want to copy them as well. But I'm saying that we are trying to go for a 70% win rate. ACT has been sort of in a downtrend here for a little while, so YFI, let's check that one as well. Solid downtrend. I was actually very fast caught here. We were lucky it didn't dip before. It's somehow the market gave us 8 hours in order to commit on this trade. Absolutely amazing. Let's look at Comp here as well. Similar situation. So we caught all of these projects and they gave us 2 bars here on the graph in order to enter the trades. This doesn't always happen, but when it happens, we need to be there and we need to act fast. CLV is the one that is not in profit. -6%. The thing is, it had a little bit of a rebound here. It has not broken through. Let's actually put out some technical analysis here, and we can see we have a support and resistance line probably around $1.15, so it's chilling right around there. If it breaks through, let's put up another trend line here as well. It's very obvious what's playing out right now. This is going to be the moment for CLV. If it doesn't break through here, it's gonna keep on falling and we are gonna make massive amounts of money. But if it breaks through, we're just gonna cancel the trade. All of the other trades got our back, so it doesn't really matter. In the end, we pretty much made 100% gains in just a single day. That is absolutely amazing. We are waiting for this here to decide, and it will decide within 8 hours. Looking at the final one, we have Kava here as well, and just seeing how this played out. Once again, a perfect dip, breaking through a support and resistance level, giving us 2 bars, 8 hours in total here to decide and get into the trade. Paying attention, having a strategy like this, having the indicator, you will get opportunities like this. Let's actually talk about the indicator and the memberships and how all of that works, because this is very, very important. This is my personal strategy. This is what I've developed for many years. I've been in crypto almost 10 years now, and this is the results of all of that, my custom indicator in combination with the technical analysis. You guys have seen the latest grass trades as well, perfectly executed here with the custom indicator. We have it notifying us here that we can enter a short. So here you can see this little squiggly line here following the market all the way down, breaking through the support and resistance level. Here we have another support and resistance level I put up all the way back here, and it bounced beautifully on it. We have the support and resistance level here on $3.5, which it tried to break through and failed. We have this long confirmation here. I know a lot of you guys missed this here, but we put it up on the YouTube when it played out. We traded the short all the way down into a long position, and now another beautiful short. This is just playing out amazingly. If it breaks through the support and resistance level right here and goes in for another uptrend, then we can do another long. If it fails, it's one hell of a glorious short all the way down to the next support and resistance level. So this is the strategy that I've developed, playing between downtrends, uptrends, support and resistance levels. But the most important part is my own custom indicator, because it helps with entry and exit of the project. It shows when the trading volume, when more people are leaving, when more people are entering. And the most important part about all of the trading volume is when insiders, when whales start entering projects, because that's when we have a solid trend change. If we look here, most likely big whales started entering here because they saw the bounce and they started entering. And as soon as whales entered, we got a trend change. We got a notification here that it entered into an uptrend. So that is basically the strategy that I have developed. It works. I'm trading with it every single week, compounding my gains, making as much money as possible. So why am I sharing it? It's of course because it's something I've developed. I want to share it with people. I want to see other people succeed. I am of course selling the indicator as a whole, $500. As soon as 10 people buy it, I'm gonna double the price. 10 people more buy it, I'm gonna double the price again. That's just the name of the game. I don't want too many people to have the indicator, but I still want to give people the chance to get in. The memberships are here for those of you that don't want to buy the indicator, but kind of wants to learn the strategy and get in to learn about the indicator, trend trading, support and resistance levels, basically my whole entire trading strategy. You would have seen this play out here yesterday. If we go to the home here and we scroll down, you would have seen this play out perfectly. 4x short, you can see all images are on those two bars that we talked about here just recently, and where we showed right after we put in these shorts, massive dips within 8 hours, massive gains. I'll be here answering all the questions and basically teaching my ways of trading as well as I can. So basically how this works, when you join as a member, if you join as a nomad, you will be getting posts of me as soon as we see something happen in the market. Usually it's multiple times per day. You will be getting notifications when I post. You will be getting images of the technical analysis. You will be getting the text saying what is happening, if we have a trend change, on what hourly time, if we have a trend change and on what time frame. The next gen elite is going to be the same thing, but here you get the community and you get to see my own personal trades as well happen live. The second I put in trades, I put it here as well. And in the next gen elite, you will also be able to request technical analysis. You can do that in the community. You just tell me. But for those of you that just want the indicator so you can start using it right away, start trading with it right away, you can of course buy it right here. So what are we waiting for right now? When are we gonna take profit? You could of course go in here and take profit right away, over 100% gains. I'll be posting all of these gains here on my X account. In here I post some trades, some information as well, but it's mostly just on the Patreon if you want it live, if you want all of the good stuff. But what I'm gonna do personally, what I love to do is I love to ride the trends. We enter on the 4-hour time frame and then we ride the trends. What trend do we have on the daily time frame? It is an uptrend. We cannot ride ACT. We should take profit on ACT unless we hold out for a flip on the daily time frame. It's actually heading down into a downtrend here on the daily time frame. We are getting a daily time frame, so this could turn out very, very epic here for our short. On the daily time frame, we have a support and resistance level here as well. This is going to play out over months. This is going to take 60+ days to play out beautifully here. That is just the name of the game of daily time frame trading. It takes a little while, but that is how we made over 100x on SUI. I've been talking about that in other videos. I'm not going to talk about it in this video. Kava here is probably going to be the best example here. We entered on the 4-hour time frame in a solid downtrend. It's not been in a solid downtrend like this for a very long time. What we're doing right now is waiting for the daily time frame to flip red. If it flips red, we are gonna ride this project basically all the way down to hell, and then we're gonna make massive amounts of money. If we look at previous trades here, 70% in one movement. With leverage on a short, that's gonna be massive gains. It's gonna be all the way up to 5x gains. This could turn into one of those massive trades, riding this project all the way down. That is the strategy right now. We put in some amazing trades. We're waiting for the flip on the daily time frame. I will let you guys know live on Patreon, so please go and join the community. You don't want to miss out on all of these trades. If you want to follow my trading strategy right here and get in on all of these trades, I'll be doing updates live on the Patreon when we take profit, when we put in new trades. Good luck out there in the market, guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.